Hello everyone, my name is FIRDOS Sultan and I'm a 7th grader. Today I'm going to talk about pure substances and their reactions. Please stay tuned for the end result of me burning magnesium ribbon in the laboratory. Matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Matter can be classified into two: pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances can also be classified into two: elements and compounds. Elements is a pure substance which is made up of only one atom and cannot be classified or broken down into simpler forms. Compounds. Compounds is a pure substance which is made up of two or more different elements. Elements in the periodic table. There are 118 elements in the periodic table, and 92 of them are natural, while 26 of them are man-made. Chemical symbols and their importance. Chemical symbols are important because they are known worldwide and chemists can use them. They are a shorthand representation of elements. And how can we write symbols? We can write symbols by taking the first letter of the Latin name or the normal name and writing it in capital letter. And if there are more elements starting with the same letter, we can just write the second letter of that element in small letter. For example, oxygen is O, nitrogen is N, and for example, if there are more elements that start with the same letter, for example, helium and hydrogen, we can write it with just an H, and helium with an H and E. As I mentioned before, compounds are pure substances which are made up of two or more elements or different elements, like H2O or CO2. Chemical formula. A chemical formula is a shorthand representation of a compound and an element. For example, for compounds, we have H2O, and for elements, there are three types: monatomic, diatomic, and polyatomic. Monatomic are noble gases like helium, argon, neon, xenon, krypton, and radon. In diatomic, there are 7, like nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, bromine, iodine, fluorine, and chlorine. Polyatomic are like sulfur, which is written as S8, while ozone is O3. Valencies. Valencies is the combining power of an element. So if you want to combine elements to form compounds, we have to know the valencies of both elements. For example, oxygen and magnesium both have their valencies are 2. So we'll just crisscross and then omit the 2's or simplify it. And there are elements with variable valencies, like iron and copper. Iron can be 2, iron 2 or iron 3. And ions. Ions are when a atom or a group of atoms lose or gain electrons. For example, oxygen is -2 and aluminum is plus. Simple and polyatomic ions. Simple ions are like, as I mentioned, oxygen and aluminum, while polyatomic ions are OH or hydroxide or carbonate. Binary compounds are compounds which are formed from two different elements. For example, magnesium and oxygen. And binary compound formula. The binary compound formula is, as I told you before, just write them, write the symbol, then the valency, then crisscross. Thank you for listening. Everyone, and my name is FIRDOS Sultan again, and this is the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm going to burn magnesium ribbon, and the materials that we're going to use is obviously magnesium ribbon, as you can see here. Yeah, and Bunsen burner or lighter, and tongs, And don't forget to wear safety clothes like masks, eyeglasses or goggles, and gloves and an apron. And in case this experiment gets out of hand, we will keep a fire extinguisher by my side. Thank you. And then I'm going to wear the safety clothes. Then the eye goggles, because it's kind of affect our eyesight. And then an apron. Okay. So what are we going to do? We're going to use the cones and a piece of the magnesium ribbon I have just showed you and just burn it. This is our end result, which is white ash or magnesium ash. And don't forget to tap on the like button or the A button in our Telegram channel, which is 𝔼𝕋ℍ𝕆𝕆𝕃.